Hello and welcome to my video. We're going to be taking a tour of Venture Out, and I'm going to go from lot number 1. Actually, I'm going to go from the realty office and then to lot number 1 through 659. So let's go on a little ride. This is Valentine's Day 2018. There's one. I'm not going to call them all out. There's 8, 10. There's one of the various comfort stations. 13. These are lots that are on the fence. That's the ones that are next to 701 or Spanish Main Drive, rather. We're up to lot 27, 28, laundromat, comfort station. IRMA storm damage. Okay, pretty quick here. We're going to get to some of the waterfront properties. Hello. Good. How are you? There's a nice common property. See, we're up to, there's 50, 51. 72. And I see I didn't do these in order, which is fine. So let's go the other way. I gotta whip a U-turn. This is called Parks End. There's 60. 62, 63. When they got the numbers down, you can tell which ones they are. Corner was 64, 65's the fifth wheel, 66. Okay, we'll stop for the stop sign, go. AT&T doing some work. We're going to go to, I would think this is block 2, Heron Run. Lots 83 to 108. Again, this is Valentine's Day, 87, 88. 89, Valentine's Day 2018. The new one going up. These were all waterfront on Land's End. I think that was its name. Not sure. That was Heron Run. Okay. Next. Where are we going next? Where are we going next? 111, 112, 113, 14. This is Buttonwood Boulevard, 117 to 175. And there's 175. That's a nice lot. I know the person that used to own it. That was me and my wife, Crystal. This is going to be a go around in the circle twice, because the ones you're looking at now are all waterfront, but on the left of me here is what's called dry lots. Okay, I gotta whip a U-turn. Whipping a Yui. Here's the Road Warrior. Nice trailer. Nice toy hauler. 147. 149. Hello. 151. 152. Back on the main drag. Okay, I'm going to stop and start again.